Oh, this is my rabbits and the cats eating together and going crazy now that I'm out here. Shut up. Delilah, the Snowball, Stormy, tell them the name. Stormy, it's Stormy. There you go, for. Oops, it's Amber. Hell, went away. Come on back here, guys. Come on. And I don't know why, but Snowball's eating cat food. That was funny. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? Ate the peaches! Ate the peaches! Come on, Amber. Come on, Nimby, what are you doing? What are you officially gonna do? Alright, it's okay, Limpy. You're okay. Delilah, you with the broken leg. Come back here. Wolf's got her, I think. Cat is in me. Oh, bitch. Come on, Delilah. Where Fluffy? Snowball! That's the Snowball man. Went back to eating cat food for some dumbass reason. Well, I guess that's it. It's just the rabbits and the cats, and Snowball's being freaked out. I think he's high.